Welcome to Ecorporate Trainings, your gateway to mastering Oracle technologies. Whether you're looking to manage enterprise databases, develop powerful applications, or build a successful career as an Oracle professional, our comprehensive Oracle course is designed for you. You'll start with an in-depth introduction to Oracle database architecture, exploring core components, enterprise features, and instance architecture. From there, you'll dive into Oracle SQL fundamentals, mastering select statements, join operations, and advanced SQL functions. Our PL/SQL programming module will teach you procedural logic, database objects, and automation techniques. You'll gain expertise in Oracle Database Administration (DBA), learning installation, backup, recovery, and maintenance. The course also covers Oracle database performance tuning and optimization, helping you identify bottlenecks, manage resources, and troubleshoot efficiently. With a focus on Oracle security and networking, you'll understand user management, privilege control, and network configuration. Throughout the course, you'll engage in real-world labs and projects that prepare you for roles such as Oracle DBA, developer, or cloud administrator. At Ecorporate, we offer hands-on projects, real-world experience, and expert instructors to guide you every step of the way. Upon completion, you'll earn a certificate that demonstrates your skills and readiness for the industry. Ready to take Oracle skills to the next level? Join Ecorporate Trainings and start your journey today. Visit www.ecorporatetrainings.com to learn more.